Welcome to Introduction to Community and Cultural Heritage. This is the course for you if you want a more philosophically focused look into the tenets of cultural heritage, including how it is inextricably connected to your sense of community and identity. This course will give an overview of the key principles involved in understanding cultural heritage by beginning with an in-depth explanations on the foundations of cultural heritage, what it is and how it is formed. As the weeks evolve, case studies will be brought in as content to illustrate theoretical ideas through real-world examples. The course will also cover information regarding institutional bodies such as UNESCO and ICOMOS and their influence and effect on the structure and makeup of cultural heritage as it is experienced today. All in all, this is the course for you this course should give a clear understanding of the symbiotic relationship between identity, community, and cultural heritage, and an ability to use this knowledge and bring it into your own personal frameworks. A little bit about myself. I will be teaching it, and I have a BA in Philosophy and Sociology and a Master's in Museum and Heritage Studies, both from the University of Sydney in Australia. My academic interests span across sociology, philosophy, and cultural heritage, and my specific research specialization looks at the nexus between identity, emotion, and heritage. My other interests are fashion and art, and health and well-being, especially yoga, which I also have a teaching qualification in. I've been involved in several museums and galleries in Australia, ranging from small community-based art spaces to larger historic and cultural heritage museums.